Hey, what's up guys, Brian here. Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys 5 easy steps on how to not get demonetized. Now these steps can also help if you're not monetized, so when you sign up for monetization, you know, none of this stuff happens and you'll be prepared. So, 5 steps on how to not get demonetized. Oh boy, oh boy. So, the obvious one that every YouTuber should know is do not use copyrighted music. If you guys use copyrighted music, that will get you demonetized. Well, as fast as I can say hi. That's really how fast it will get you demonetized. It's really bad. It will get you demonetized fast. Alright, number 2. Inappropriate thumbnails. YouTube back then wasn't strict with this. Like, you guys, if you know Smosh back then, yeah, the thumbnails, yeah. Back then, they weren't strict with this. Nowadays, oh man, nowadays, they demonetize you for this stuff now. It's kind of crazy. Back then you used to be able to do it, but now you just get demonetized. Alright, step number 3. Try to be family friendly. I say this because YouTube advertisers probably look at a younger audience for their products most of the time. And sometimes it's not suitable for advertisers, so being kid friendly also helps with monetization issues. So, yeah, that also helps. Number 4. Okay, let's see. Number 4. What was number 4? You know what? I actually forgot. Alright, okay. Don't use another YouTuber's content in your videos. If YouTube sees when they're reviewing your channel that you're using another YouTuber's content, they might not want to sign you up, buddy. I'm just gonna tell you, they might not want to sign me up. Unless they think you're actually working hard on it, maybe. That's the only way they would ever probably make you eligible for monetization. So yeah. And number 5, the last step. We're going from you know, beginning to end. This is like the thing that you should worry about the least, but you should still worry about it, even though it's the thing that you should worry about the least. Alright, the last step on how to not get demonetized. This is going to be the last step, and that step is going to be, that step is going to be don't make how to not get demonetized videos, because those videos will definitely get demonetized. Alright, well, I'm going to see you guys later. See you guys, peace. I know technically it was only 4 because there's only 4 series ones, but enjoy those 4 tips. They really help. Trust me, they actually very much do help. See you guys, peace.